package you will find the CubicMeter, an antenna for wireless communication, 4 hose clamps in different sizes, as well as anti-tampering covers and seals. Start off by opening 2 hose clamps of the correct size and attach them around the pipe. Screw on the antenna. Make sure that the flow arrow on the device is matching the direction of the water flow. Place the device on the pipe and attach the hose clamps on both sides. Fasten and tighten so that the device cannot be displaced. Remove the activation sticker from the display and wait for 8 seconds. Now, select the appropriate pipe setting that matches your pipe by holding the activation sticker over the optical eye to step through the available pipes. After the pipe setting has been selected, the device will be activated after 8 hours. If the No Sensing LCD symbol is still shown, the device may be too loosely attached or the pipe may contain air bubbles. To cancel the activation, put the activation sticker back in place within the 8-hour period. If you want to mechanically seal your device for anti-tampering reasons, attach the 2 tampering covers on both sides as well as the tamper seals. Your device is now ready to be used. Check the CubicMeter manual for more information.